one of the best accountants I've ever worked with. I don't know if you're taking clients on right now, right?
I am.
You are? Okay.
Yeah. I've got a really good team right now that's really trained up. It's funny because, and you know, I haven't really told everybody working for me. Never went to school for accounting. Never went to school for tax. They got trained on a job by me personally, and I prefer it that way.
Okay.
I prefer it that way. So, and I've got long-term tenure, you know, I got one that's over 20 plus years with me.
So you expanded.
Yeah, so I got a great team, and I like, and they're just trained up really good, and they really make my life, it's a blessing to have them on my team. Yeah.
So guys, again, Steve's Instagram, Seeing Beyond the Numbers.
Hit him up.
It's available.
Yep.
And
DM me and I will get back to you. I promise you. Yeah, I'm pretty good at that.
You're an entrepreneur. You're starting a side hustle, whatever it may be. You need Steve on your side, guys. It literally saved me probably millions of dollars
Steve,
at this point.
Yeah, it's been like just so much fun seeing you guys, like where you guys started and this whole story and how you guys, you know, are like it's. I'm proud of you guys, man. It's awesome.
Hey, man,
really
we're happy to have you by the side, bro. Guys. And also, if you're like a W-2 employee, it helps you too. When I was a federal agent, you did my taxes.
Yeah.
So, and I was starting my business on the side. So, if you're like a guy that has a regular job and you're doing a side hustle, Steve is also fantastic to have to help you out with that as well. So,
so now we're going to talk about P. Diddy.
Yeah. Don't end up like P. Diddy, guys.
Forget about the taxes now.
Yeah, no, for sure. Guys, so we'll be back with some lovely ladies, guys. We got a special episode for y'all.